Hello viewers, welcome to my garden. This video shows the benefits of water into our body. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's go. What is water? Water is a substance composed of the chemical elements hydrogen and oxygen and existing in gaseous, liquid, and solid states. It is one of the most plentiful and essential of compounds. A tasteless and odorless liquid at room temperature. It has the important ability to dissolve many other substances. Water is vital to our health. It plays a key role in our body that functions, including bringing nutrients to cells, getting rid of wastes, protecting joints and organs, and maintaining body temperature. Here's the 10 benefits of water in our body. 1. Maximize physical performance. It is essential that you drink water throughout intensive exercise. You need water to stay hydrated and maintain an adequate amount of fluid in your body. Water keeps you cool as you exercise in the form of sweat. It prevents your muscles from getting tired as fast and allows you to have a quicker recovery post-workout. As you exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid, which causes them to become sore. Staying hydrated allows your body to rid itself of the lactic acid in your muscles at a faster rate. 2. Maintain mental energy levels. Water is needed in every cell on your body, and your brain cells are no exception. It helps transport oxygen and nutrients to the brain for optimal mental function. Even mild dehydration can reduce your mental energy levels. Insufficient hydration can lead to decreased memory and cognitive performance. 3. Prevent headaches. The one reason why we experience headache is dehydration. When you are dehydrated, the brain contracts temporarily due to fluid loss. This causes the brain to retract from the lining of the skull, causing a headache. If you have more liquids in your body, you can prevent this kind of illness. 4. Prevent constipation. Constipation arises when the stools in your colon don't get enough water. When you are dehydrated, water is redirected from the large intestine to hydrate the rest of your body. With not enough water, your stool becomes dry, hard, and difficult to pass through your bowels. Make sure you get enough water to have a healthy bowel. 5. Prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard deposits of salt and minerals that form within the kidney or urinary tract. You must need enough fluids in your system to dilute the concentration of minerals that can turn into these stones. To determine how hydrated you are is the color of your urine. When you are dehydrated, your urine will be dark. If your urine is pale yellow or clear, it means you have enough amount of fluids in your body. 6. Promote weight loss. Drinking more water every day can help you to lose weight. When your stomach senses that it is full, it sends signals to the brain to make you feel full. It reduces your hunger and makes you less to overeat. 7. Maintain healthy skin. Your skin is an organ and is made up of cells. Without enough water, it will not function properly. Dehydrated skin will become dry, tight, and flaky. Dry skin has less elasticity and is more prone to flaking. Staying hydrated can enhance the skin, may look younger and fresher. 8. Prevent hangovers. Dehydration is a major contributor to the hangover symptoms you've come to know and loathe. Drinking water before bed and hydrating thoroughly the day after a night of heavy drinking can help to restore your body's hydration. Adequate water intake also ensures your body is able to flush toxins efficiently. 9. Prevents dehydration. Drinking water can prevent dehydration. It is a condition that can cause unclear thinking, result in the mood change, cause your body to overheat, and lead to constipation and kidney stones. Getting enough water every day is important to your health. 10. Flushing out toxins. Your body is constantly exposed to toxins from various sources like pollutants, processed foods, and stress. Drinking water acts as a natural detoxifier by flushing out harmful substances through urine and sweat. This cleansing process helps maintain the integrity of your organs and promotes overall well-being. Most of the human body is water, with an average of roughly 60%. The amount of water in the body can change slightly with age, sex, and hydration levels. The people should drink 6 to 8 cups or glasses of fluid a day. The best time to drink water are after waking up, before meal, before workout, after a workout, when you are tired, and when you feel thirsty. Here's the summary of the benefits of drinking water. 1. Maximize physical performance. 2. Maintain mental energy levels. 3. Prevents headache. 4. Prevents constipation. 5. Prevents kidney stones. 6. Promote weight loss. 7. Maintain healthy skin. 8. Prevent hangovers. 9. Prevents dehydration. 10. Flushing out toxins.